Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install the SoFi app to manage credit cards and cash, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your mobile device. Locate the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type SoFi and press enter. Look for the SoFi app in the search results. The app's icon features a colorful design with the SoFi. Once you find the app, tap on it to open the app details page. Review the app information and user ratings for reference. To download the app, tap the Install button. If prompted, enter your Apple ID or Google account password. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the SoFi app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the SoFi app icon to open the application. If this is your first time using the app, you will need to create an account. Tap on the Get Started or Sign Up button. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. You may be asked to verify your email address or phone number. Check your email or SMS for a verification code. Enter the verification code in the app when prompted. Next, you will need to provide your personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Be prepared to enter your financial information as well. Link your bank account by providing your bank details or logging in through your bank. After your account is set up, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Here, you can manage your credit cards, cash, and other financial products. Explore the different features available in the app for managing your finances. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.